Let's talk about what to do if your hat is too big. So first of all, let's take it to the gauge swatch. So you saw the video where I talked about measuring your gauge. Depending on which pattern you're doing, after you get to like round 6 and you just have something about that big, you measure it across. So if that is too big, then you're gonna want to switch to a smaller crochet hook and make it again, and you measure it again, and it should be, and it will be smaller. If it's not small enough, then you got to go down one more crochet hook size. If I made a gauge swatch with this I hook and it was too big, then I would go down to my H hook, and if that was too big, I'd go down to my G hook. So let's say the first 6 rounds of the worsted weight basic beanie is supposed to be 3 and 3.75 inches. What if it's 4 inches? It's like a 1/4 of an inch too big. Is that too big? It's kind of hard to tell at that point, you know, like I would want it to be, I'd say if it's an 1/8 of an inch, you know, if it's like 3 7/8, I'd probably keep going with it and see how it is. But I think, you know, a 1/4 of an inch bigger at that point is probably just going to keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So anyway, what I'm saying is don't feel like it has to be exact, because it's yarn and it stretches. But if it's more than a 1/4 of an inch bigger, if it's more than like 4 inches at that point, you definitely need to change your hook and do a smaller hook. Let's say that you don't catch it in time. The beanie is done, but it's too big. First thing to do, and I guess you would do this back at the step of measuring your gauge, double check your yarn, because if you were to use this yarn, which is the bulky weight yarn, if you were to use this yarn and follow this pattern, your hat would be huge. You'll probably catch that if you check your gauge swatch and you realize, oh no, I grabbed the wrong yarn. If you've got the right yarn, it's still too big. One thing you can do, if it's like a little bit too wide, you might be able to fudge it by just like pulling out, and this wouldn't work in this beanie because of the stripes, but actually don't have one here. Okay, let's say this beanie, the pom-pom beanie, if this was too big, you could possibly just pull out a couple of rounds at the bottom, because if it's like too wide, if you shorten it up a little bit, that could make it fit okay. So you might be able to get away with that, and you're probably gonna have to try it on the person. So if you're making this as a gift, you might have to spoil the gift, or they might have to get it as a gift. I mean, I've done that for sure, where I've given people a gift and it's way too big or way too small. And it's like, well, shoot, let me fix that for you. Then the next thing you can do, if that doesn't work, if it's still like just obviously like too wide for the head, then you have to rip it out to about here. I still have my stitch marker in my last round of increases right here. So you'd rip it out all the way up to here, and then you would rip out that last round of increases, and then you would start your plain stitches from there. This pattern is for 72 stitches around. So you rip out round 12 and take it down to where it's 66 stitches around, and then you redo the whole thing from there down with 66 stitches around. So that's kind of a bummer, but you know, once you get good at this, this only takes you like an hour-ish. So you can fix it. But the fourth option would be to start completely over with a smaller hook. I would fix the one you have, unless it's like just way wacky and you're just like, I don't even know how to fix this thing, I'm just gonna start again. Then you know that the next time, if you're using the same yarn, you just need a smaller hook and it'll be smaller. Unfortunately, you know, this is annoying when you realize that it's the wrong size and you have to rip it out all the way up to here to fix it, but that's really the best way to fix it at that point. But hopefully you measure your gauge. I also have in the basic beanie video, I talk about how wide it should be at the point where you are done increasing. So if you measure at that point as well, I don't think you'll have this problem come up very often, but it still happens to me. It just happened to me as I was making beanies for this course. One of them turned out, you know, the wrong size, and I was like, whoops. So handmade stuff is just funky that way. Like sometimes you're uptight and you're crocheting really tight, and sometimes you're like, loosey-goosey and you're crocheting really loose and it ends up a little bit different size, and you know, you just adjust from there. So that is what to do if it's too big. Next video, what to do if it's too small.